Pivoting now to weather, Jason Nappy, you earn your money tonight. We've got cloud cover in some areas, some snow coming down, some not so much. What are you looking at out there?
It's late March, and it's really tough to get snow to accumulate, especially on major roadways this time of the year. So that's not going to happen for most of us, especially south of the mountains. A coastal hugger, that's going to bring in that rain and snow. Anytime we have that, it's tough to get a lot of snow, especially at the coast, and especially this time of the year. Slushy accumulations, the heaviest is going to be well inland, and I really do mean up in the county. Ends tomorrow, mostly showers, the rain variety. And here is a look at that warning. Upgrade here to a winter storm warning up in the county, okay? That's the jackpot spot for this storm, by far, bar none, where there's enough cold air to get significant accumulation. Everyone else south of that, winter weather advisories up. You see also some wind advisories up western mountains. Along the immediate coastline, though, not a lot, if any, okay, especially on the roads. Now, look at satellite and radar. Sure, it looks like it's snowing pretty hard, and it is going to snow pretty hard in some spots, especially in the higher elevations as you head up to the Oxford Hills, western mountains to start, you see here, but the rain is moving in to the southern coast. And it's all really courtesy of this, the wind out of the south and east coming off the 40-degree water temperature, which 32 is really the temperature you really like to see for snow. Well, we have that in Rangeley, we're at 28, 31, northern New Hampshire, 32 in Freiburg, but 35, Rockland and Bar Harbor, not going to get a lot of snow there. It is still snowy, though, away from the coast in the next several hours into the overnight. Here's the real storm. Low pressure, upper level low kind of spinning over the Great Lakes, eventually is going to transfer its energy off the coast. Right now, happening Cape May in New Jersey, and that's going to be the coastal hugger that's going to bring up that mild air southern coast, 30s and 40s, and the seacoast tonight. Saturday night into Sunday, watch as you see the snow. It is getting heavier up in Waterville, Bangor, Millinocket, Caribou, even in Calais. But notice in Portland, it's raining. Sanford, it's raining. And then as we continue into the overnight, we will continue that theme where the rain takes things over a bit here, especially mid-coast and down east heading inland, where it will be raining at 35 degrees. Bangor right on the cusp there of being whether or not it's rain or snow into your day on Sunday. And that snow is continuing up in Millinocket and Caribou, but eventually it is gone by Sunday afternoon, evening time. Here's how much snow you can expect. Up to 1 inch coast inland, 1 to 3 in from that, 3 to 6 north of that, and then 6 inches as you head up to the county. For the Mariners, seas at 5 to 7 feet. Gale warning is up for Sunday, so it's going to be breezy, yes, at that gusting to 30 knots. The forecast the next several days is featuring a storm, yes, for today, ending tomorrow morning as some light rain for inland. And then it's really nice for several days. We do cool down on Thursday before another storm gets in for next weekend. And how about the forecast of the coast? 50s for a couple of days. Yes, we're going to melt some snow on Sunday, clearly, and on Monday. As I think we salvaged somewhat of a 50-50 weekend, David, and then mid-40s next several days after that with rain very light. Once again, we're getting into this weekend storm thing, which I don't know who is excited about weekend storms, but it is what it is. That's what Mother Nature's giving us right now in the forecast.
Of course, the skiers, I'm sure, excited about a little weekend storm.
The people that want it are getting it. The people that don't want it aren't getting it. So really, it's a perfect spring storm.
We see those 50s coming in next week. Are we turning the corner here?
Not yet. I don't want to say put away the shovels just yet. I'm not ready to say that just yet. But I can tell you that March can be a little fickle with Mother Nature. So this is Maine. We're not. Let's get to April before we start putting the shovels away.
Sounds good. Thank you very much, Jason.